Hi guys, welcome back to Manifest with Armony. My name is Armony and I'm your law of attraction consultant. What if it was easy? What if it was really easy to experience the things that you only dream about now? What if all that stuff that you've been struggling with was ready to happen all along, and the only reason that hadn't showed up is because you thought it was hard? Now, I'm here to tell you right now that that is true. And it's okay that we've been pushing some things away because we see it as this big, huge thing, and that it would be hard to manifest because we were not doing it right, or we were not aligned with it for a long time. So what about all the people in forums, or I don't know, wherever you guys read and listen to people talking about this stuff? What about those people who say, those people who oversimplify it and say it's easy, are don't even know what they're talking about because this stuff is hard, you have to work hard at it, you have to really get your mind into shape, and you have to form habits, and it takes 30 days to form a habit. It does take 30 days to form a habit in some ways. Some habits, in 30 days, they're actually pretty solid habits. But if you're basing your goals, let's say, on systems that other people have created or have put in place through a lot of research, those things are not wrong. It's just that the fact of the matter is that you can change what you're thinking about in a matter of seconds. You can change what you are feeling in a matter of seconds or minutes. And that's all it takes to align with what you want. Do you have to form a solid habit of that thought before something starts to manifest around it? No. You just need to shift your thinking a little bit and shift your vibration a little bit until it tips until the scales tip and things start going in your favor, or to benefit you in this thing that you're focusing on. So the thing you want is easy. The thing you want is so easy, it's already prepared for you. The how is figured out, and it keeps changing because you keep pushing it away, so the how keeps changing. But you don't see that. You don't see how the hows are always working to come to you in the quickest, most natural way. Because what you're looking at is evidence, and what you're looking at is reality, and you're not looking at what's in your imagination, because what's in your imagination is what needs to be looked at and focused on in order for that thing to arrive to you and for the hows to complete themselves. If that makes sense to you. It sounds mysterious and it sounds weird, woo-woo, whatever, but that's just the way it works. And if you can just let go of thinking that it's hard, then it will come to you before you know it, whatever it is. And you might think, but I'm not stupid, I'm a pretty smart person, so I've been doing all this stuff and I've been trying to align with it, and it's been taking so long. I'm not dumb, right? I must know something here that what I'm doing and what I'm working towards is for something, right? Well, yeah, there's nothing that you're gonna do that goes to waste. Any work that you do, reaching for a better feeling thought, it never goes to waste, because it just gets easier and easier to reach for a better feeling thought the more you practice it. And overall, it's not about being stupid. It's not about being good at this. It's just about where you are right now, and that is fine. Everyone is in a different place at a different time, and you can't even say there's a good manifestor or a bad manifestor. Those things don't exist. It's just about right now. What are you aligned with? It's really simple. So the more simple you can see it, the more you are benefiting from that. It doesn't matter how big something seems to you. It doesn't matter how you can't figure out even one way how this thing will work out for you. It doesn't matter. That's not your job. Your only job is to feel the feeling of already having it and to live in that ease. That's it. Can you do that? Can you do that for a second? Can you do that for 5 seconds? Can you do it for 10 seconds? Can you do it today? Can you do it tomorrow? Can you do it if you skip a day? Can you do it the day after? Does it feel good when you're doing it? Does it feel so good that you want to do it again and again? And then does it feel so good that it starts to feel natural and you're not even conscious of doing it? That is the process. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it hard on yourself. And don't go complaining to other people about how this sucks. Once you start doing that, you open the pathway for a whole bunch of crap. And that's not gonna bring you anything quicker. It's just gonna lengthen the process. So be easy about it. It's not hard. This stuff is not hard. You're not meant to manifest things in your life with elbow grease. That's not how it goes. It's not about forcing. Focus is not about focus. It's about removing tension. It's about relaxing. That's what true focus is. And that's what you're doing when you're deliberately manifesting something, when you are feeling it real, when you're living in the end. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know below. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to do that, please do so and click the bell for notifications. If you like this video, please click like. And if you'd like to buy my short ebook on Amazon, I'll include a link for that below too. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.